Fucking crazy, you guys. God damn, look at this place, dude. This is the best show we've had on this tour, motherfucker. Thank you. Whatever the fuck we did in Detroit, we must have did it fucking right, because this is fucking wonderful. My mentor's made of Michael Myers mask. They like this, but don't like your liars laugh. Wanna see this simple psycho Cyrus pass? Light your letters fast. Strike the fires fast. Make some noise! Yeah, motherfucker. You know I love the sick shit, motherfucker. But this is like a celebration, so it's like I fucking deserve a drink in my motherfucking hand. You know what I mean? Like, where the fuck is King 810 when you need him and shit? You know what I'm saying? The motherfuckers usually bring me drinks and bitches and shit. Where's David Gunn at, nigga? Let's go. What's up, my niggas? I know! Family's in the house. King 810 this motherfucker! Yeah. I still ain't got my drink though, you know what I'm saying? I got through all this fucking rapping, nigga. The least I deserve is the Caribou Lou or KCT. I'm serious though. I mean, I'll take some weed too. We trying to get fucked up tonight, y'all know what I mean? Oh shit, I'm not bullshitting though. I'm serious as a fucking heart attack. There you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Damn. Damn. We're getting fucked up tonight. Let me see that motherfucker. Yeah. Hey Chris, light this up for me, man. This feels like some good fucking weed. Thank you, Detroit. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Cameron, I got you, my nigga. But I still need my motherfucking drink. What the fuck? I been trying to get this nigga Chris Calico to smoke for a long time. And he thinks he's gonna be paranoid. I ain't gonna do it just like that. I'm gonna wait till he's ready, my nigga, because he's gonna be ready real soon. If I smoke that, I'm gonna freak out and kill everybody here. I swear to God. Here you go, man. I'm scared to death of that. Somebody gotta give me the right strain of weed, some shit that calms me down. Anybody got some shit that can calm me the fuck down? I need like a weedologist and shit. Oh man, we just need some real good purple motherfucking bud, nigga. The rest of my show about to be fucking wonderful. I don't know about his, but I'm about to be on like a motherfucker. Y'all know what I mean? Where's my niggas with the drinks when I need them and shit? You know what I'm saying? Maybe if we do this drink song, I'll get a drink. Let's go!